So, perfect blue skies, almost no wind, beautiful sunshine. These are indeed conditions for the beautiful game. The backdrop here, picturesque, idyllic. No doubt one of the best days of the footballing calendar, and it has added to a really jovial, happy mood in the stands, helping to raise the level of sound by more than a few decibels. Shirt sleeve order, very much the dress code. Here's a venue this which... Up for the header! He's delivered all right!
Listen, the big names earn their reputations for precisely the reason we've just seen. They have a habit of making their presence felt, and here we are, early stages. He struck one, and he looks hungry for more. Yeah, looking back at that, that's how you play on the counter. Quick and decisive and ruthless with the finish. I thought it was a stunning, stunning breakaway.
Well, that has certainly made things interesting. He could have been in, just needed a better final ball.
Quality deserted them when they really needed it.
Cannavaro positions himself well and cuts it out. Has a pop! Really well taken goal. Terrible error, duly punished. That has certainly made things interesting.
Well, there's resilience for you, Peter. As a side, they never lost focus despite the setback. And this is thoroughly merited.
Mbappe! It's in! Into the lead once more. Well, no goalkeeper would keep that out. It really was a bullet.
Yeah, I just thought he made great use of his upper body there. It would have taken something really special to keep that out.
So we have a breakthrough. Now how will things develop from here?
Look, he's the one everyone expects to put the ball in the net. That's what he's paid to do.
Mbappe. Delivery from Mbappe. That intervention was very necessary. Neymar provides an outlet. He's good for it! Now it's Mohamed Salah, and the assistant referee rightly gives him offside. Xavi Alonso, oh, good interception. And it's played forward. Neymar. It's Neymar! Ball is over the line. And out to safety. Now it's Neymar! Oh, just lacked a decent finish.
Oh, it was the first touch to die for, and it set him up beautifully.
Mohamed Salah with good energy in defence as well.
I think it's great to see that kind of application and desire from a forward who wants to help out his defence. I think, you know, any good team, really, your striker should be the first line of that defence, and he's delivering.
And it's half-time here. So a really good half of football, 3 goals and just one separating them.
It's kind of a hard one to call, Peter, isn't it? I mean, from what we've seen so far, both sides have provided ample evidence that they can add more goals, and I'm sure their respective managers have reminded them that the next one will be pretty crucial. So it's going to be interesting to see how the teams come out for the next period. Well, it remains very delicately poised, and based on the promise we've seen through the first 45 minutes, I wouldn't be surprised if this takes another twist or two. It certainly would be in keeping.
Very little in it. The score at half-time is 2 goals to 1. And the game has already resumed here. Hoists it forward. De Bruyne. Mohamed Salah, who does have an assist to his name. Mbappe. Neymar. Davis. And De Bruyne! Van Dijk goes looking. Messi tries to stroke it through. Throw it. Now it's Messi. Conte. And it's Salah. Mbappe, the scorer already in the game.
That's what has to be done now, no question about it.
Well, hit and hope is just about the sum of it, isn't it, Jim?
Just has to be done.
Shapes to shoot! Good stop, that wasn't easy.
Well, what can I say? Truly wonderful goalkeeping.
Mbappe, and here's Neymar. Oh, that is asking for... Mbappe! Oh, that is very close.
Mbappe brilliantly took control of that, which was exactly what the situation required.
Davis gets it back. De Bruyne. And it's Salah. Has he picked him out? How about a shot? Corner it is then. And he's there to clear it. And he's cut it out.
Keep calm and carry on. That's the job in a nutshell now.
He gets past his man. Timely intervention.
There's a real appetite from them to finally put this game to bed, but will they?
Neymar. It's broken loose. Oh, heads it! Oh, should have been the equaliser.
When it needed something decisive, he showed too many mixed signals.
Out to the left it goes. Room for a shot. Has a hit! He has done it! A two-goal cushion, and it's looking safe. Well, that always looked the likely outcome.
It's almost criminal to see a defence fail to identify someone who thrives when it comes to shooting stats. They knew, and yet they didn't heed, and they've paid the price and deserve to.
2 up and very little. Referee looks at his watch and blows his whistle. So they bask in their win, a genuinely professional performance and a result which is well deserved. Your final thoughts, Jim?